Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a snowblower here. Customer has stripped the threads on the spark plug hole. You can only get your spark plug in about halfway and then it's super tight and I don't want to break it. So what I want to do today is show you how to fix the threads without having to remove the entire head from the engine. And have a look here at the threads where my screwdriver is. So the good thing about this is that they're only damaged from about here up. The bottom parts of the thread look pretty good. So that means that I should be able to do this repair today quite easily. And to do this repair, I'm using a thread chaser. I believe this is a 14mm thread chaser. And I'm going to run it through the hole here. And what I will do so that the shards don't go in the engine is I will coat the tool here with a lot of grease, and all the grease will catch the small metal shards, and then I'll turn the engine over by hand with the plug out just to blow out what could have gotten in. So let's get right into this repair. Okay, so the tool I have here has a 3/8 ratchet adapter here. And I've got an extension that when you put the socket on, it gives you a bit of leeway to move it sideways or whatever, just in case there's a slight angle in there. And I'm using this one because it's more slim. There's other ones where you have to put a socket over it to turn it, which takes a lot more room inside that engine. This is more slick, it's more slim. And here's what I'm going to do is dip it into this grease. I'll spread the grease around here. And again, this is to catch any metal shards and prevent them from going in the engine. And it works really, really well, guys. I do this all the time. Okay, so this will do the trick here. Now what I need to do is get this in the spark plug hole here, but I have to start it properly. Start it at the right angle. So now I think I've got it in there pretty straight. It's getting a bit tough. I'm surprised it's that hard to turn that tap. Now this tap is not a full-on tap, it's a spark plug thread chaser. You can buy them anywhere, automotive store, Amazon, your Snap-on truck. But the trick here is to go in nice and straight, and it can be difficult when somebody's messed it all up. I've only gone in halfway and I'm pulling out. See all the metal shards that have come off here, so I will remove them. Make sure there's a lot of grease. And go back in. Now this is a deep spark plug hole, but I think I'm getting right down to the end here. You know, it's much cheaper if people just bring their machine over than trying to replace a spark plug and messing up the threads. Okay, I think I've kind of broken right through here. It's easy to turn. Okay, I've got this tool screwed in right to the end. And it's coming out pretty easy, which tells me the threads are pretty good. Okay, so here's the tool after going in and coming out. All the metal shards are on the tool. Now, it works excellent every time. Now, if we look at the spark plug hole here, you can see there's grease on the sides, so just go and grab it. I'm just going to clean right around the hole here. Now what I'll do is turn the engine over by hand. This will blow out some air out of the engine naturally, and that will blow out any little pieces of metal or whatever's left. And also I want to clean right around the spark plug hole as well by doing this. I've got a new spark plug here, and I always start them by hand, not the tool, because at least by hand you can tell if they're not going in properly. And sometimes it's just a matter of wiggling the plug a bit to get it to start. And there's not even room here to get a proper spark plug socket. So I'm just using this spark plug tool here, which is very thin. And I'm just using an old screwdriver in the tool. And be careful after you fix threads when you're tightening up a plug. Don't overdo it. Now what I do is when I fix threads like that, I always put in a new plug, because the less times people actually remove a plug and put it back in, it's better for the threads after you do this kind of repair. So as you saw, guys, it's not that hard to do. Make sure you have one of these. Actually, you could probably buy a set with different sizes of these thread chasers for spark plug holes. If my video has helped you today, guys, please like it and share it with your friends, and have a great day.